In this video, we're going to complete an input-output table using a rule. So if we have a problem like this one that says, complete the input-output table using the rule, and the rule is subtract 1000. So we have this table, these are the input numbers, and then you have to apply the rule, and then that's how you get the output numbers. So there's one number that's been given to us already. So the first step is to write out all of the subtraction sentences. That'll make things much easier for you, okay? So you take the input number, you subtract 1000, and then you figure out what the total is, okay? So this one, which was already done for us, has the answer 3846. So you put in all the inputs minus 1000. And notice the 1000's place value decreases by 1, right? So that's what happens when you subtract 1000. You subtract 1 from the thousands spot. So that'll make it easier for us. So the second step is to decrease all of the thousands place value for the rest of the numbers by 1. So you would decrease this thousands place value by 1. And this one by 1, this one by 1, and this one by 1. And that's how you get all the answers. So let's put them in. So 2273, if you subtract 1 from the 2, you get 1273. For 3519, it becomes 2519. For 7382, it becomes 6382. For 1987, it just becomes 987. And that's it. And so now we just can fill in the chart. And let's use the same color for the out as the blue. So we have 1, 2, 7, 3, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 3, 8, 2, and 9, 8, 7. And that's all there is to it. And if you need more help with this type of problem, I have links to other videos like this in the description. And don't forget to download the ebook, which has this lesson in it. You can follow along in the ebook. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks.